Hi, this is Tim Lewis at Multimedical English. Here's a quick tip on how you could score really high at USMLE 2 clinical skills. Okay, first of all, the patient comes in with a complaint. So we should find out how that complaint affects him as a person. Second, we should find out how that affects his work, or is the work affecting him? Third, we should find out how his home is affected by this, or is there anything at home that's affecting him? Sick contacts, for example. Fourth, I like to look at the activities. Does he have activities that are now affected by this problem? Or are the activities, the lack of activity that he's doing, affecting this problem? Five, how is his emotional level? In other words, how does he feel about this? How is this affecting him? Does he feel fine about it? Or does it really cause him a major problem where he just feels really bad about this type of problem because it's going to change his life so much? So those would be the five things. Let's review how it affects him as a person, how it affects his work, how it affects his home, how affects his activities, and how it affects him emotionally. That covers really well on understanding the problem that the patient has. Hope this helps you raise your scores.